China has just unveiled LICOMK++, the world's first ocean microscope, a groundbreaking simulator that offers an unprecedented 1-kilometer resolution of the Earth's oceans. Developed by the Chinese Academy of Sciences, this powerful system marks a major leap in climate and ocean research. LICOMK++ allows scientists to observe ocean eddies, currents, and heat transport with unmatched accuracy, details that were previously impossible to track. But this is more than just a scientific upgrade. LICOMK++ runs entirely on China's own hardware and software, sidestepping international tech sanctions. It's a bold move toward technological independence and a strong message to countries imposing export restrictions. So what can LICOMK++ actually do? It can simulate real-time ocean behavior, model future climate scenarios, and track how oceans absorb heat and CO2, key factors in global warming. This helps scientists better predict hurricanes, shifting currents, and other extreme weather events, not just react to them. Why does this matter? Oceans absorb over 90% of excess heat and much of the CO2 we produce. Understanding how they behave is critical to forecasting and potentially preventing climate disasters. LICOMK++ isn't just a simulator. It's a vital tool in the global fight against climate change and a symbol of how necessity can drive innovation, even under the tightest restrictions. In short, China didn't wait for the world, it built a new one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'm Lulu, thanks for watching Trending News, stay tuned for more.